Assalamu alaikum students. I am Miss Sima from SGR. Our today topic is auxiliary verbs or helping verb. Another name of auxiliary verb is helping verb, and today we will learn their uses too. First of all, you should know what are auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. Auxiliary verbs or helping verbs helps the sentence to complete its sense. Okay, sentence give the meaning with the help of an auxiliary verb, or it is also tells the tense of the sentence. There are different helping verbs that are used for different situations according to the tense. What are helping verb or what are auxiliary verb? These verbs are also called helping, and they have no meaning on their own, as their name show helping, so they help the sentence to clear its sense. In English language there are 23 auxiliary verbs, and these are given. Some of them are am, is, are, was, were, has, have, had. And there are further two types of auxiliary verbs. First one is primary verbs and second one is modal verbs. Primary verbs included am, is, are, was, were, do, does, and did. And modal verbs included can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, and etc. Be is the form of is or am, and be can be used as an auxiliary verb and the main verb. It tells that action is happening now or is going to happen in future. Has, have, and had, these are also helping verb, and has and have are used in present tense, and we can use have with plural and with I, we, they, and you, and has with singular with he, she, it. But had is used in past tense, and there is no subject restrictions. We can use had with all subjects in the past tense. Here are some examples of the uses of has, have, and had, and these are the example of is, are, am. Was and were are also helping verb and or auxiliary verb. Here are some examples of is, are, am, and their uses in our daily life. And these are further divided in two types of verbs, that first one is primary and second one is modal, and these are further divided with example in this. It is another example of has and have in comparison with has. Students, here is an example of is, am, and are. With exercise you should have to do these to practice how much you understand from this. Thank you.